everyone, welcome back to another episode of Chemistry. Today we'll be making glue slime. Our ingredients today are glue composite, activator, some water, and a container. So for our first step, we need glue. If you need to put however you want. Next we'll add the water. Set up the camera. A pretty gluey, so liquidy mixture of some water. For also for the part of the slime, we need an activator for them to bind together as one. I will use tablespoons. Is stretcher more you set up. This is what you call slime. Set up a little camera and so. Slime from glue and activators. So it should look like. Hope you enjoy this experiment. See you again on another episode. Goodbye everyone.